Hello friends, in the last topic, we learned about motif fill. Today, we will learn about piping. It has points inside. Stitch spacing, stitch length, short long stitch, variable length, fixed divider, contour type, back stitch, limit number of turns. In drawing tools for piping, you can use both dual bezier and dual side. First, let's draw an object here using the dual side tool. Here is the button for the piping tool that we have applied to this object. By going to the parameter of the piping tool, we can set the stitch spacing and stitch length. Here, we have set the spacing to 1 mm. From here we also change the stitch length, 0.5 mm to 4 mm. So, from here, the stitch length can also be adjusted. After that, there's the option for short long stitch. This is turned on by default. If we want to extend the stitches to the end of the object, then the short long stitch has to be turned off. After that, there's the variable length option. We turn it off. By turning off the variable length, it makes the stitch smaller where it is to be shortened, and where the stitch has to be made bigger, it makes it bigger. After that, there's the fixed divider option. Here, there is an option for the fixed divider. By turning it on, it turns all the stitches into one line. After that comes contour type. Here, we have set the properties as they were previously. Like in plasma fill, we use jalebi turn, we can use contour type in piping to bring that kind of effect. So just as the effect comes in plasma fill, that kind of effect will come here. After that comes the backstitch. Just as we use in tatami fill, in the same way, we can use the backstitch here. Here, to change the stitching effect of the straight stitch, we can use the backstitch. A square end-like effect appears. Next comes the limit number of turns. As there are many lines in this piping object, if we need it in a particular figure, we can use the limit number of turns option for that. The option for that is available here. For example, we set it to 16 here. So, only 16 lines will appear in the object. So, that was about piping.